Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tahini salad dressing. First, gather your ingredients. 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water, and 1 small clove of garlic. You'll also need a pinch of salt. This simple combination forms the base for a delicious and versatile dressing. Now let's mix. In a small bowl, combine the tahini, lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of cold water. Whisk vigorously until smooth. The mixture might seize up at first, but keep whisking. Mince your garlic very finely and stir it in. Add a pinch of salt, then gradually add more water, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you reach your desired creamy consistency. To customize your dressing, consider adding a dash of ground cumin or smoked paprika for a warm, earthy note. Fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro also brighten the flavor beautifully. Once prepared, transfer your tahini dressing to an airtight container, such as a glass jar. It will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. This versatile tahini dressing is perfect for so many dishes. Drizzle it over your favorite green salads, roasted vegetables, or grain bowls for an instant flavor boost. It also makes a fantastic dip for falafel, pita bread, or even raw veggies. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals. Enjoy your homemade tahini dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.